Intensity is heard as the loudness or softness of a pitch. In acoustics, the science of sound, intensity is the amount of energy affecting the vibrating body. And the physics measures intensity on the scale of from 0 to 113 in the unit called decibel. In musical notation, gradients of the intensity are indicated with the words mostly in Italian: pianissimo, piano, mezzo forte, fortissimo, and something like that.